Hello friends, I am Shreya. In my past video, I announced that I am willing to share a new information. So, welcome to my CraftCanvas channel's new window Tech Cookies for you. So, today in this video, I am going to share about an unboxing of a external storage drive. I received this external hard drive through Amazon today. I always back up my large volume of data in external storage drive, such as my conferencing and YouTube projects and others to avoid accidental data loss from PC crash. Before going to buy it, I looked for some useful specificational data. Friends, I like to buy from branded makers. They are reliable in warranty services. Do not rush after bigger sizes, though it's cheaper. But if that goes wrong, most chances of losing all. Creation of library volume from 1 to 1.5 TB is best, in my opinion. Shock resistance, data encryption, low in weight and pocket friendly is good to go feature. Look for brilliant bright HDD activator indicator. Helps to know disk activity while in use and ejecting or turning off status monitoring and bringing out the thing. Now, doing my unboxing without taking much time, see how the most criteria matches or not. Ultra slim of 10.3 mm easily can slip into pocket. Shock sensor is there. Data encryption of 256-bit AES. These three most important features I got with this. Let's explore what's inside. One thing I forgot to mention, read and write speed is top priority quality. For this brand, I researched on Google reviews. User manual is given. I'm not going through it. This is the USB 3.1 Type B interface cable comes with it. Length, thickness and flexibility are okay for me for high-speed data transfer. All 3.1 cable given with hard disks are backward compatible. Thin and sleek, pocket-friendly size, shiny finish. Disk activity indicator is large, normally shines blue, but under shock or fault condition, it turns to red. Checking for pump connectivity of the interface cable. From my early experience, malworking and data losses due to loose connectivity of this. Friends, in future video, I will tell you more about on technical reviews. Tech Cookies for You is the technical discussion window of my channel CraftCanvas. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.